what up guys, it's Mike here with Lucky 13 Sports Cards, and today I've got one blaster box of SP Authentic for 2014 Golf. I got this at my local hobby shop for $18. This is clearly something new for this channel. We've never done golf before. Looking for some SP Authentic fabrics, which is like one in every 3 boxes. So I'll just get to it. I've really never looked at this product before, so it'll be something new. Okay, it opens right here. Handy. The packs. I don't know why they're separated like that. So there's 8 packs in here. Alright. Put that right there. Pack number 1. Ooh. Alright, so first pack, I'll take a little look at this. Peter Hansen. Get this to focus sharp. There we go. Looks like base. I guess. Oh wait, not this one. It's blue. I don't know what that means. It's a short print for Paula Creamer. Sounds like a coffee brand. Alright. Anyways, second pack. There we go. Got all base. Great. It's weird how these cards, it's just a white background. It's not an actual green. Alright. I don't know. Comment down below. Is this your first time looking at golf cards? It is for me. Another blue short print of Tim Clark. I was just about to name a team, but focus. There we go. For $18 is pretty much, why not try? Wait a minute. Going back to a card, we got Michael Jordan. That is a beautiful card. We got a Michael Jordan golf card. That is just so beautiful. Michael Jordan, man of all sports. Okay, get this one open, so. Alright. This is a fun thing. Authentic Moments, Pebble Beach. Whoa. Sorry about that. Pebble Beach, I'll just read this out. Calif, sure. June 15th to 18th, 2000, Tiger Woods led the 2000 U.S. Open after the first round and went on to wire-to-wire win with a 15-stroke margin. Authentic Moments. Whoops. Alright, more base. It's really funny how we got a Michael Jordan golf card. I just can't get over that. Alright, base. Great. Just random people. I don't know anybody. I know some people. Maybe Rory McIlroy, Tiger Woods, Bubba Watson, just the winners. Well, except for Tiger Woods. He's not a winner. Oh, Tiger Woods. Speaking of which, we got one of these blue. Sorry about that, guys. Video got cut off because the storage was full on my iPad. So basically, in the last pack, there was this Paula. Oops, focus. There was this Paula Creamer short print, and this final Authentic Moments of Tiger Woods and Michael Jordan, two of the all-time greats in their respective sports, were paired together in the Pro
Pro-Am portion of the 2007 Wachovia Championship. Alright, so that's it. Sorry about that cutoff, guys, but that's all we have for today, guys, so sorry about the shaky table. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. See you later.